This video is brought to you by FlowSend, the Flow mail app. Send branded emails from Shopify Flow with your own SMTP, liquid templates, CC, BCC, and delivery logs. Link in the description. Turning on an untested flow on a live store is risky. Ask Sidekick how to use a test trigger, preview every step, and confirm nothing hits real customers. Start with Run Test on your trigger. Open the workflow, pick Select Test Event, and load a real order or customer record from your store. No live event required. Preview each condition and action. Sidekick shows whether blocks evaluate true or false, what tag and email values would be used, and which branch the workflow would take. Run Test is preview only. No emails are sent. No tags are applied. No metafields are written. And no webhooks fire. That is the safest way to validate logic. For a live end-to-end check, use a draft order or a $0 test payment. Pick sample data you control so real customers are never tagged or emailed. Then open Run History to confirm what fired, what was skipped, and any errors. For FlowSend actions, preview the template or send it to yourself before you go live.